Hi, my name is Nafisa from The Ordinary, and today we're going to be talking about The Ordinary's Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution. The Ordinary's Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution looks like a toner, feels like a toner, but it is so much more than a traditional toner. A traditional toner contains ingredients that will calm and refresh the skin. Our formulation contains skin-loving ingredients such as Tasmanian pepperberry, aloe vera, and ginseng root to help soothe, hydrate, and balance the skin. Various amino acids have also been added to the formula, like arginine and glycine, which help to enhance the barrier support, elasticity, as well as surface and below surface hydration. However, unlike a traditional toner, our Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution also promotes mild exfoliation. It does so through the inclusion of glycolic acid, which is the simplest form of alpha-hydroxy acids. Glycolic acid is a water-loving molecule that helps to exfoliate the topmost layer, revealing more radiant skin beneath. This dual approach provides a more holistic way to maximize the effectiveness of the acid whilst reducing the appearance of redness. This synergy results in improved skin radiance and visible clarity. Use Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution in the evening after cleansing your skin. Lightly saturate a cotton ball with the solution and sweep across the face and neck. We do not recommend applying the product on compromised, sensitive, or broken skin. Make sure to avoid the eye contour or contact with eyes. There is no need to rinse off the solution. Instead, allow the product to absorb into the skin and continue with your preferred skincare regimen. AHAs may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. Always use a broad-spectrum sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure while using this product, and for 1 week afterwards.